Jason, what is the lowest priced one-bedroom unit in Fort Bonifacio, Taguig City? Well, the answer right now is Park McKinley West. For brand new condominium at pre-selling stage, Park McKinley West has the lowest price per square meter. Is actually the price for this 35 square meters one-bedroom unit here in Park McKinley West is at 13.7 million. There's limited units left for this cut that is perfect for Airbnb business or for long-term rentals also. So right now, its current price is 13.7 million. But don't worry, we offer a lot of discounts, especially for cash buyers or for those who will do spot payments from 10% to 50%. So if you want to move in by next year, 2025, or start your rental business in 2025 or 2026, well, this